Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda CR-V cabin air filter. This is a simple maintenance task you can do yourself in about 15 minutes, saving you time and money. First, ensure you have a new cabin air filter and perhaps a small flathead screwdriver. Then, clear out your glove box entirely to make space for the next steps. Now, let's get to that filter. On the right side of the glove box, you'll find a small dampener arm. Gently pull it off its pin. Next, carefully squeeze the sides of the glove box inward. This action will release the two stops, allowing the glove box to swing down fully and reveal the filter housing behind it. With the glove box open, you'll see the rectangular filter housing. There are usually two small clips or tabs on the cover. Unclip them and remove the cover. Now, gently pull out the old filter. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter, as the new one must be installed with its arrow pointing in the same direction, typically downwards. Almost done. Once the new filter is securely in place with the correct airflow direction, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring the two clips snap firmly. Then, push the glove box stops back into their slots. Finally, reconnect the dampener arm to its pin. Close the glove box, and you've successfully changed your cabin air filter, improving your vehicle's air quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.